मित्रों नमस्कार, welcome to your favorite channel Dr. Pawan Jaiswal. A question normally arised in the minds of the Indian income tax assessees that we are paying income tax by the way of advance tax, self-assessment tax, regular assessment. We are subject to tax deducted at source, tax collected at source, etc. etc. The question is that sometimes after expiry of financial year or expiry of some quarter, from one quarter, the credit of such deposit may or may not be reflected by the documents in the hands of the SSE. It is a problem, it's a common problem, it is a problem of general SSEs that the amount which they are paying as amount of tax is not reflected through proper reports. That's why the assessing officers are issuing notice to them that your amount is not deposited, such amount is outstanding as tax. For complete elimination of this problem, the Government of India, Ministry of Finance has invented one instrument known as Form 26AS. This Form 26AS is just like a statement of account or a passbook issued by the banks. When you are a saving bank or current account holder of any bank, you have been issued a passbook or a statement of account. Similarly, income tax departments started issuing Form 26AS to each and every PAN holder who is assessee of the income tax department. Whenever you are depositing any money by way of advance tax, by way of self-assessment tax, by way of regular assessment, by way of TDS, TCS, you must cross-verify your deposits from 26 years. Merely keeping the challan in your hand doesn't make you fit to claim the challan from income tax department until and unless it appears in the 26 years. You are not supposed to get credit by the machinery of the income tax department. Yes, it is the assessing officer who may give you the credit of such challans which are not reflected in 26 years. After verifying such challan or TDS credit forms, after verifying it thoroughly. So, whenever you are subject to deduction of tax, you are subject to collection of tax, you have deposited any tax, kindly verify it within a week or within 15 days from the website of the income tax department through Form 26AS. It is a passbook which contains the advance taxes paid for a financial year. It is a passbook which contains, apart from advance tax, self-assessment tax, even regular assessment tax paid by the SSE. Each and every deductor who made deduction of tax against your PAN number, their name, their TAN, the amount which they have credited as well as the amount which they have deducted is well shown in 26 years. Similarly, in case of TCS, tax collected at source, whosoever collected the tax at source and is having TAN number, his name, his TAN number, the amount collected by him, gross amount collected by him, TCS made by him is well shown in 26 years. Similarly, all the challans which you have paid through electronic media or manually in any bank in favor of income tax department is shown as advance tax or self-assessment tax or regular assessment. Not only this, the department started one more column of refunds also, year-wise refunds also, so that you may be able to include the interest part of the refund in your computation of income in the respective year. There are two more columns after advent of TDS on property more than 50 lakhs, sale or purchase of property of more than 50 lakhs. One more column is there. You will see the PAN number and name of purchaser as well as seller in your 26 years. Really, there is a column also that these are the amounts outstanding against your PAN for last few years. The column is also there. So a passbook, a kind of passbook of income tax is now in your hands. Try to cultivate the habit to see it in a periodical manner. Download it. Take the hard copies of 26 years. Make your computation of income as per 26 years. And if nothing is or something is left in 26 years, immediately start claiming your right from your deductor or collector of tax, or rush to the bank or rush to the AO for getting the credit in time. This is your right to get credit of all the challans, all the TDS forms, all the taxes deposited by yourself. And if something is not reflected in 26 years, claim it immediately. Friends, I think today's lecture or today's video is very much useful for those who are confused or who are not having the idea that what exactly my total credit for a specific financial year in my hand to claim before the income tax department. And if this video is useful, kindly like it. Also ask your friends to see it. Ask your friend to share it with your friends, their friends, like it. And if you have any query, any problem, any difficulty in your mind, if you are facing any difficulty regarding income tax, kindly let us know. I will try to resolve it by the means of bare act of the income tax department in a very easy manner. Thank you. So nice of you. Thank you for sharing the valuable and useful ideas today. धन्यवाद. नमस्कार.